Hello, lovelies.
Hello.
So today we're going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge.
Chubby Bunny.
And basically, we have to stuff a marshmallow in our mouth. And see how much we can fit in there. We have to say Chubby Bunny every time. So yeah, here we go. I guess I'll go first.
Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Okay, serious. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm so tempted to eat this.
Down it won't hurt when I get home.
Chubby Bunny. I look so...
Chubby Bunny.
Now you see what I look like as a fat person.
Here's me even fatter.
No, you're not fat. Chubby Bunny. I'm gonna beat you shit first.
Oh, fill up. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay, Heather, what is that?
Oh, I started to gag. Those are tears.
You didn't know it, but I was trying to eat it, but my mouth was so full I couldn't swallow, so she still won.
Okay, so
Hey, look, this is a clean marshmallow.
that's it. Bye.